In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create a profile in Salesforce using Dream Efficiency 5303 lightning.force.com. This step-by-step guide will ensure you navigate the process smoothly without missing a beat. Let's dive right in and get started. Our journey begins on the home page of Salesforce. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Salesforce homepage at Dream Efficiency 5303 lightning.force.com. This is your central hub, where every setup begins. Once you're there, take a moment to let the interface load completely. It's crucial for all features to be active before moving on to the next steps. Once you're fully loaded onto the home page, you'll want to locate the Gear Settings icon. This small but mighty icon is typically positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on it reveals a menu with several options, allowing you to customize your settings and manage your Salesforce environment. Look for the option labeled Open Advanced Setup and click on it. This action redirects you to a more detailed setup interface, giving you the tools to manage various aspects of your Salesforce setup. Now, with the Advanced Setup open, focus your attention on the Quick Find search bar at the left-hand side of the page. This tool helps streamline your navigation. Simply click on the search bar and type in the word Profiles. As you type, the system will display relevant search results. You're looking for the one that directly says Profiles. Click on it and be prepared for the page to load fully. Sometimes this can take a few moments depending on your network speed. Patience here ensures that you won't encounter any lags or incomplete page loads that could frustrate your setup process. With the Profiles page now in view, look for and click on the New button. The New button is your gateway to creating a brand new profile from scratch. After clicking, a setup wizard will appear asking for specific information. It's here that you will input your desired profile name, ensuring it clearly represents the permissions or role you're setting up. Next, you will be prompted to choose from existing profiles. This lets you use an existing profile as a template, which can be incredibly time-saving if you're setting up a similar role or permission set. Review your selection to confirm it's the best fit for your needs. Once you're satisfied with your inputs and selections, move forward by clicking on the Save button. This crucial last step commits all your entered details to the system, officially creating your new profile. And there you have it, a newly created profile in your Salesforce instance, set up with precision and care. Congratulations on mastering this Salesforce setup task, empowering you further in leveraging Salesforce for your organization. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy navigating.